Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Black & Decker portable air conditioner not turning on, power supply and reset guide. Fix 1. Check the power outlet. Make sure the AC is plugged in securely, then plug another device into a lamp or phone charger into the same outlet. If the outlet doesn't work, try a different wall outlet. Second one is inspect the power cord. Unplug the air conditioner, then check the power cord for cuts, burns or loose connection. Then if the cord is damaged, do not use the AC until it is repaired or replaced. Third one is perform a power reset. Turn off the air conditioner, unplug it from the wall outlet. Wait 5 minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Fourth one is check the circuit breaker. Go to your home electrical panel, then look for a trip breaker. Reset the breaker if needed. Then try turning on the AC again. Fifth one is let the unit cool down. If the AC overheated, unplug it. Then wait 20 to 30 minutes. Plug it back in and try turning it on again. Thanks for watching.